Hi friends, today it's a bread recipe. It's 100% whole wheat bread, a soft and fluffy, very delicious bread. To make this bread, we are using the Tangzhong method, which makes the bread extra soft and delicious. So let us see how to make this. Here I have taken 500 grams of whole wheat flour. I have used locally milled whole wheat flour. From this we'll remove 5 tablespoons into a pan. This is to make the tangzhong. We'll cook this 5 tablespoons of flour with 250 ml of water. Mix the flour in the water and cook it till we reach a pudding consistency. Tangzhong makes the bread softer and fluffier. This is the consistency we should reach. Don't overcook it. Now we'll allow this to cool down. In a bowl we'll take 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 3 tablespoons of jaggery and 200 ml of warm milk, lukewarm milk. Add the flour. In case you are using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast and then mix it into the flour. Add 1 egg and the prepared tangzhong. If you don't want to use egg, you can just increase the quantity of milk and make it 250 ml. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it to form a shaggy mass of dough. And then we'll allow this to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. That is the autolysis, which will help in the gluten formation. Now we'll knead this dough. We'll use the stretch and fold method. The dough is quite sticky, but don't add more flour. Just keep kneading. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Using a bench scraper, scrape the dough and bring it together. And knead it like this till the dough becomes soft and smooth. We can do the slap and fold method, which is suitable for more hydrated dough. Since it is a whole wheat flour, we have used almost the same quantity of liquid. Now we'll add the butter. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll add little by little till the butter is well incorporated into the dough. Knead it like this. Now the dough has become quite stretchy and it's even reached the window pane consistency. So now make it into a nice smooth ball. There are quite a few bread recipes in the channel, even whole wheat bread recipes using different techniques. Hope you all have tried it out. If you like the bread recipes and if you want more of such recipes, Please do put it in the comment. If you have any specific recipes that you need to see in the channel, please do suggest. Now we can transfer the dough into a greased bowl. Look at the dough, it has become so smooth and elastic. We'll transfer it into the bowl and we'll allow it to rest for about 1.5 to 2 hours till it doubles in size. Depending on the weather conditions, it might take lesser or more time. Now the dough has risen well. We'll give this a short knead and degas the dough. Now we'll shape the dough, sprinkle some flour and roll it out. The width of the rolled out dough should be equal to the length of the pan in which we are planning to bake. We'll roll it tightly into a log. Pinch the edges well. And then we'll transfer this into a greased 9-inch loaf tin. The loaf tin should be well greased and spread it evenly in the pan. Now we'll cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. This is a very crucial step because the dough should not be overproofed. If it is overproofed, then while baking it will not rise. Now we'll bake this for about 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now our bread is beautifully baked and we'll brush some butter on it while it is still hot and then remove it from the pan and allow it to cool thoroughly before slicing. Let us slice the bread. Look at the crumb. It is so soft and fluffy. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you with yet another amazing video. Bye.